In this video, I'm going to show you how to migrate 2 WordPress websites from 2 different hosting companies in the world using a special tool called InstaWP Migrate. So I have my website right here. It's being hosted on this platform called xCloud. So what I want to do is I'm going to move this website onto InstaWP. So what we need to do first of all is to head over here to InstaWP. In this case, it can be any hosting service that you decide to choose. But the most important thing is you need to install a blank WordPress install. So let's go ahead and do this. So I'm going to come over here and click on Add New. So I'm going to say New Site. Next, we're going to click on Create Site. Now, what's important here is this site needs to be blank. Next, we're going to take a look at our site by clicking over here, and you can see here that it's blank. Next, we want to come over here now and enter this URL. Now, I'll also include this URL in the video description below. It's called app.instawp.io/migrate. Now, here's the most important part. Here, you need to enter your source URL. So this is this website here. So this is the source. I'm going to copy that, come back over here and paste it. Now there's a few things I need to do here, and that is to connect it. So I'm going to click on connect. It's going to ask me to approve this connection. So I'm going to go ahead and say approve this connection. Great. You can see here it says connected. Next, I'm going to come over here to my destination URL, which is the one which I named new Mac site 24. So this is the one I need to migrate to. I'm going to copy this, and also notice that this is a blank website. So back over here on our tool, I'm going to come over here and paste my destination website. Click on connect. Again, I need to authorize this. So I'm going to click on yes, I approve this connection. All right, so you can see that these 2 websites are now connected. The next step now, which is the final stage, is to start the migration. Click on Start Migration. So if all goes well, what we're going to see is my site here migrated onto the new site that I created, which is blank. Okay, so our migration now is complete. So let's take a look at our site. So this was my original site, and take a look here at the URL, and our new site now is over here, and you can see this is on now InstaWP. This was the site that had our blank WordPress install. As you can see, this is a fantastic way of migrating your website using a free tool. Now, normally you would pay for a plugin to migrate your website from one hosting company to the next, but this is absolutely free. You don't even have to install any plugin. There is no learning curve, and as you can see, this was very, very seamless. So go ahead, try it out. I will leave a link to that in the video description below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.